Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are going to share our knowledge about the Exilian data breach attack that occurred in early 2021. The agenda is to talk about Exilian, the solutions they provide, and to get a know-how of the huge data breach attack occurred on Exilian's product, the vulnerabilities behind that attack that were exploited, who was involved and who was affected due to this attack. Moreover, did Exilian address this attack or not? Exilian Incorporated is an American technology company which specializes in secure file sharing and collaboration software. The company develops an enterprise content firewall leveraged by more than 3,000 global corporations, government organizations, hospitals, and universities. Besides many other solutions they provide, one of its products is named FTA, File Transfer Appliance. Exilian claimed that it helps worldwide enterprises transfer large and sensitive files securely using 100% private cloud. In December 2020, Exilian FTA software suffered a zero-day exploit, followed by another exploit in January 2021. The exploited vulnerabilities were subject to unauthenticated remote code execution. Exilian zero days were particularly damaging because the actors were mass exploiting this vulnerability, and the severity of which was not being informed by Exilian in time, eventually causing a large time window for active exploitation. There are two related but distinct exploits used to attack client Exilian FTA systems. The one discovered in December is known as the December exploit, and the one discovered in January is known as the January exploit. Exilian identified two zero-day vulnerabilities that were part of the December exploit, highlighted in gray, are SQL injection and OS command execution, whereas the two zero-day vulnerabilities that were part of the January exploit are command injection and server-side request forgery, highlighted in blue. So the question is, who was behind the attack? Researchers have identified a set of threat actors behind the global zero-day attacks on the users of Exilian FTA were cybercriminal groups Fin11 and the famous Clop ransomware gang. So who was impacted by the attack? The graph here shows industries associated with Exilian on the left and also highlights the public victims and high-profile customers affected by Exilian attack. The graph shows that the public sector has been most impacted by exploitation of the Exilian FTA vulnerability. However, based on the distribution of customer industries as publicized by Exilian, we suspect that the healthcare, finance, and the energy sectors have been impacted more heavily. The victims affected by FTA exploit covers healthcare organizations and academic sectors as well. Morgan Stanley, it's an American multinational investment bank. Bombardier Source is a world-class business jet manufacturing and servicing company. Stanford University and University of California covers the academic sector. Singtel is one of the Singapore's largest telecommunications company. Jones Day Law Firm is an American international law firm. Flagstar Bank and many others. Was the attack addressed? Mandiant, an American cybersecurity firm, was engaged by Exilian to perform a security assessment of Exilian's FTA software in the wake of two discussed exploits. Mandiant confirmed through forensic analysis of the compromised Exilian FTA instances that the only vulnerabilities exploited in the attacker activity on the devices were the four which we had discussed earlier, for which the patches have been released by Exilian. Forensic analysis confirmed that the patches successfully closed these exploited vulnerabilities. Mandiant did not identify any additional vulnerabilities that were part of the attacker activity. Exilian also encourages all of its clients to apply the available patches as soon as possible. Exilian has announced end of life for its legacy FTA software on April 30, 2021 by launching a modern and more secure platform, Kiteworks. It's a secure file sharing platform that facilitates access to enterprise content sources by allowing internal and external users to share, send, sync, and edit files on any type of device from any content core. Exilian will continue to provide support and honor to its FTA contracts for the duration of its existing license term, and it offers its customers to upgrade to flagship Kiteworks content firewall platforms. Exilion would assist at no additional cost in the migration process to Kiteworks and will work with all of its customers on the time period to achieve this transition.